Good morning, and I hope you all are doing well, and welcome to my very first Saturday vlog. So, I'm just starting off my day as usual with a little bit of skincare. Nothing too special, but just something very basic that I thoroughly enjoy. And then head down, and the first thing I do is open up the blinds, look out, see whether the sun is shining or not, and it is today. So I'm going to take advantage of the snow and do something very special later on. But first, I'm going to put the kettle on. Each of my family member wants to have something different for breakfast. So once my lovely kettle boils, I'm just going to pour myself a cup of tea, and whilst I'm doing that, I know I'm going to have to prep some breakfast and ponder what I need to do. I have a long list of things I need to do as always, but you're going to see my 13-year-old making himself some breakfast, some basic butter and toast, and my daughter reading a book while she has her bowl of shreddies. And my husband wants a brioche French toast. Now these are so divine and really lovely and fluffy. And then I'm going to head down to our sort of school area, and I've actually set up this tablescape in the ice, in the snow, and it was freezing cold, but I thoroughly enjoyed in the actual overall ambience that was created. You can head over to my Instagram for some more detailed pictures, and then I'm going to start cooking dinner once I've got my fingers all warmed up. So I am making instant pot rice. So adding in some oil with cumin seeds. The rice has been soaking for about 20 minutes or so in some water, and I just add this in sizzling hot oil. Yes, I tipped some on the edge. This is what happens when you're got the camera in one hand. And look, this is how I measure the amount of water that I need to add. I make sure that one part of my finger is, the water comes just above the one part, so to speak, and then I'm just gonna put the lid on. And I think you didn't do the steam release on this, and I just automatically press the rice button and it just calculated it, and that's it. Simple. So here I am on the other stove making my chicken karahi. I start by, heating up the oil with some cumin seeds, and then frying some onions along with some chicken. I'm just going to add some garlic ginger paste, something really quick and easy and simple. Just checking up on the hot pot is fine. Carry on frying this off in my wok. Once it's browned, I'm just going to add a tin of tomatoes and some spices, just the usual spices, nothing flamboyant. Red chili, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, some garam masala, and that is it. And towards the end, I'm going to add in dried fenugreek flakes, and that's it really. Oh yeah, and salt and pepper and lots of black pepper. Forgot about that, key ingredients. And if you've got some lemon, you can squeeze in some lemon too. And really basic, but yes, that's what I do. There's something wonderful about freshly grinded black pepper. Anyway, I'm throwing in some green chilies as well because we need it, and some more lemon juice. I have my chopped coriander ready whilst this is simmering away on low heat now for the oil to split, and it's pretty much ready. Really quick and easy, nothing to it. So whilst I'm waiting for both the dishes to be ready, I'm just going to do some cleaning up. I always use this time to clean up quickly. It helps and put away everything that I don't need. And the rice is almost ready. It's really exciting. So remember, I had sealed the lid on, so I'm going to press the release button and let the vent out on venting. So just turn it around so all the air is released before opening up the lid. The rice have turned out perfectly. I'm just going to try and break them apart gently. Don't want to mash them up, but they've turned out so well. I am so surprised. When the first time that I used them, I was really surprised at how well they turned out. And it's so simple to do as well, and quick and easy. I'm just going to serve this up with the chicken karahi, and that is it. Done for the day. Did I just say that I'm done for the day? Well, we need some green tea, so we're going to make this tea. Boil some water in, add some cardamom pods, some mint leaves, a green tea bag, a little bit of sugar, stir it, don't overcook it, just a couple of minutes until it boils, and that is it. Serve up and enjoy. It's so nice and lovely and soothing to have in these winter cold months.